So in horticulture class, we have to just plant stuff. But before we plant stuff, we have to research about plant cells.
You have to plan out what you're going to plant, put plants like each other next to each other. Gotta put in an irrigation system so you don't have to water them as much. Make sure that they're well taken care of, well groomed.
We have a courtyard outside where we're doing all our gardening work with vegetables, and because we also have a dome that we've been working on, and not only that, but we helped work on the green space outside in the front yard.
Usually meet at the class or in the courtyard, and then we go out and we work on whatever it was that we had planned for that day, whether it's planting or putting in an irrigation system or so on and so forth. And then at the end of the class, you log what you did for that period, so then you can go back and have that knowledge from you. Okay, so first you gotta put plants that agree with each other's what nutrients they take and give, so they don't kill one another in the process. And then you got to dig into the soil, put some fertilizer in, bone meal or eggshells or whatever, orange peels, and then mix that around and put the plant in so it has nutrients to start off.
I like that we actually get to work with plants and make our own plants and bring them home.
How we constantly get to work outside with actual plants. It's kind of like field work. You learn gardening skills for the future.
How important this can be, especially for the environment, and how other people use it, when it comes to producing food and plants and all that.
I've learned how to identify plants. I learned how they grow, when they grow, where they grow, and not to plant other plants where you already planted them.
How to more efficiently use resources when it comes to gardening, especially with recycling and plastic bottles and all that, not just buying new equipment all the time. It's always about recycling.